Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you have a tattoo removal service and you're looking for a professional, affordable website to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'll be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your tattoo removal service. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to upgrade website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start the free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you is just to search for your market at the top. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, tattoo removal service. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business so we can generate a simple website. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue, let MultiSites work its magic and create a website with information I've just popped in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. As you can see, they're all really high quality, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images that you want to upload, showcase on your website of some of the amazing transformations that you have completed, tattoos you removed. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. Make it a little bit more personalized. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to be super tech savvy as well. You can literally do this all yourself. You don't have to hire anyone or professional to help you. So I'm going to get started. Let's get cracking. I'm going to show you the basics. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. And your address or physical location, maybe your mobile, so leave it off. But if not, pop your physical location in here. Great thing about it is when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address, be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website for your social media channels. If you've got a logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. If you want to make amendments to that logo, crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames, click on the pencil directly over it. Otherwise, click on save. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you want to change the colors that were pre-selected for you on the MultiSites platform on your website, maybe to go with your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, scroll through the various color palettes, no color coding needed at all. Awesome. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. It's super simple. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through that photo library, hundreds of images, all really high quality and professional looking, completely free to use. Otherwise, click on connect your Instagram account to automatically pull in all those Instagram photos if you have a profile. And update action is where you have a call to action button. You can change the text on the button as well as where all the buttons link to. You can even link to another website, perhaps a calendar booking website if you take bookings. And another great option is to upload a PDF file with your different rates and services. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads coming through in your Multi dashboard. You'll also get notified via your registered email every time you have a new lead coming through. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain yet, you can actually purchase one as well by clicking on that button to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful building a website for your tattoo removal service. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.